Taylor here. Welcome to part 3, the last and final part of my how to grow long hair tips. I'm about on day 5 or day 6 of my unwashed hair, and this tends to be peak volume time for me. It's usually when my hairstyle is best. I just woke up and did my makeup, so now we are ready to style the hair. First things first, I always go in with a heat protectant / detangler. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. This product is very versatile. Spray that down in my hair, and then I'm going to take a wide tooth detangling comb and just gently detangle. Now that I've gotten all the tangles out of my hair, I am going to go in with the Olaplex No.7 Bonding Oil. I use this pretty much every day, just a couple drops, and it just helps strengthen your hair, but it also reduces frizz and flyaways, which I tend to struggle with, especially the longer I go without washing. Must-have product. Go in with my paddle brush, and I'm just gonna do a little bit heavier duty brushing just to get all those tangles out. So I would say I use dry shampoo every other day or every 2 days. I have been using the Living Proof dry shampoo. I'm gonna slowly kind of work that through my hair, especially on the roots. Lifesaver. I still have some leftover waves, so I don't do this every day because I want to keep my heat again to a minimum. So I would say I put waves in my hair every couple days. Okay, we're just gonna section the hair off. I'm just using my curling wand, a 1-inch barrel, and I'm gonna take it in really thick sections and just add my waves back in. Alright guys, so now that my curls are dry, or cooled I should say, I'm just going to run my fingers through them lightly and gently to break up those curls and give it more of a wave effect. Okay, and then last but not least, this is my new all-time favorite product, the IGK Beach Club Texture Spray. It's kind of like a hairspray, but it's a very soft hold. I'm just going to kind of disperse this through my hair. It smells really good too, guys. Then voila! I mean, look at that volume. Day 5 hair with these products. You can't go wrong. Hope you guys enjoyed this series. Bye, guys.